Morning, morning. I know I'm late. Good morning. So we have FOMC today. FOMC today. Not looking to trade much. If I can scalp a little bit anything from SPY and the Q levels, that'd be my day, pretty much. Let's see. 439 is the level that I'm watching. 439 and 441 are the levels that I'm watching on the Q. You guys have it on my Discord. And pretty much all these reaction point on SPY. That's all I'm watching today. That's all I'm looking today. How you guys doing? Morning, morning, morning. I was late because my coffee machine, I don't know what happened, it wasn't working. And I had to get instant coffee. I have decaf instant coffee for when I have like kind of sweet tooth. I drink coffee. Oh, thanks for asking, Sarkis. Yeah, I'm feeling way better today. Much better. I almost skipped today, I'm not gonna lie, because I'm not feeling 100%. And again, we have FOMC. You guys know how when we have important data coming up, the market is just very choppy. Surprisingly, yesterday was insane. I was not expecting that huge green candle on SPY. That was weird. I was definitely not expecting that type of move like 2 days before, no, one day before FOMC. So yeah, 439 and 441 are the two levels that I'm watching on the Q. Technically, the Q is bullish because it's holding above yesterday high. SPY is kind of rejecting there. I'm gonna go with a short here on the Q on ES. I would I wanted to buy one, not two, but whatever. Let's see if SPY is gonna keep rejecting yesterday high. Yeah, I was expecting also a gap fill yesterday. Apple is definitely weak. Microsoft is holding. I think Microsoft above 420 is bullish. Nvidia, so far in the daily, it's kind of looking bullish. It has this clear uptrend, but right now it's rejecting hard here. It's rejecting yesterday high. Again, I'm not looking to trade much today. Maybe a quick little scalp and that's it. Venezuelan. Let's see. Let's see if we have continuation here. Okay, Nvidia is losing it there. Okay, the Q is trying to hold yesterday high. That's very important. The Q needs to hold 438.50 to be bearish. That's a big 5-minute candle on Nvidia. No, I don't have Twitter. I was thinking on open a Twitter account. But I don't know. Let's see. We need to spy to lose this 515 this low here. 515.25 around there. And the Q 438.50. PDT is a Chinese stock, right? I have 20 over 20 PAs, but I'm only trading today with one. I'm not looking to risk any of my PAs. Even if I get only $5 today, I'll be happy. Okay, let's see if the Q is gonna lose 438.50. If bounce here, most likely I'm getting out. $20 PA is the max you can trade at the same time. And I have 2 Apex accounts. I have 2 Apex accounts. You can have 2 Apex accounts per household. Not per person, per household. Come on. No, you can have as many accounts as you want. You can have you can trade at the same time 20 PAs max. If the cat has his own social security, yeah. Okay, if we go over, yeah, getting out there. Okay, looks like I got fake out. Mm, I had a 150 loss, and honestly, I'm not looking to lose more money. At least not today. Yeah, yeah. Household. What's the difference between your mom and your like dad and your sister and your brother and your, I don't know, husband, wife? No, you don't request that. They just send it to you. You just for affiliate, you just go to their affiliate payment and you just set up your bank account and that's it. They send it to you. You don't need to do anything else. Looks like it's gonna go lower. It looks like the entry was good. What is dancing around there? Morning, 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 Sam. You can search all those questions on their help center. Like pretty much here, you can search everything. Very easy search, just like Google, but it's everything about Apex. It's like 2 minute search. What's RTY doing? Let's see. What's IWM doing? Mm, mm, I don't know. So RTY is on a downtrend, but if holds today's high, breaks that downtrend. I think you can, excuse me. I think you can find other forms to have more than one account just using VPN. Yeah, VPN, but I don't know. Maybe, but you don't need to. Like with one account is more than enough. So the Q is a little bit weaker than Spy. Or maybe you can use your mom's household in your house. When I got here to the state, I stayed on my grandparents' house, so I have uh my license and everything with that direction, and I'm living in another house, so I have two households technically. Nobody know what's gonna happen today. That's why there's no reason to trade today. Nobody know what's gonna happen before and after FOMC. Look at this, the market is not even moving, it's doing nothing. I'm gonna go short again, only one. I like this, how it's under the VWAP here. I trade in the morning and I'm done. I trade the morning session. Apple is bouncing and it's above the VWAP. IWM is holding pretty good. Let's see what's Nvidia doing. Nvidia, it's bouncing, but it's still under the VWAP. Yeah, it's better to just do to not trade. To not trade today, or at least before FOMC, and then just wait a little bit after. I think FOMC it's at 1 o'clock. It's at 1 or 2. So if it is at 1, I will wait until 2 so we can really see a clear direction of the market and then trade that. For me, I'm just gonna done in the morning and I'm just done. I'm gonna trade tomorrow. Too, yeah. So for me, it's not worth it to trade today, like at all. We know, like, I've been doing this for 7 years, so I pretty much learned the hard way that it's way better to just not trade. Skip today. So we can do a little Q&A right now. And yeah, I'm having a very good month and I'm not looking to change that today. And the Q under 439 is still on the overall downtrend. We still have this downtrend here. If the Q cannot hold 439, it's not bullish. No, I don't have a mentor. Yeah, I use TradingView when I'm only trading one contract. I could have used it today because I'm only trading one contract. But yeah, pretty it's I'm sorry, when I'm trading with one account. But because most of the time I'm trading with multiple accounts, I cannot use TradingView. Uh, once, what do you mean what's very good? Once you have identified your levels, what candlestick do you typically use to enter a trade? That's, I don't even know how to answer that. There's multiple things to use to enter a trade. It's not, you can, nobody can say this candle, it's what it says to, for that it's like, how to explain that? Nobody can tell you that one candle is gonna tell you to enter a trade. Nobody. What trading did I did to learn how to trade? Just watching charts, journaling, and learning from my mistakes. I had a friend that it was a very good trader, and he helped me point, like he was kind of like my mentor, but not really. He just pointed out what I was doing wrong for a few days. I think he was a few weeks with me, and yeah, that helped me a lot. But it was basically me. It was a bunch of things. It was me being very disciplined, very patient, study a lot, watching a lot of videos, asking around. Like I got out and that's it. My biggest loss, 30Ks with crypto. Over 30K. But it wasn't like one trade. I just bought high and sold low. I had no idea what I was doing. I did paper trading, but I don't think paper trading helps at all. I only think paper trading is worth it if you're learning, if you're on a new broker. That's it. I don't think paper trading is real. Like, obviously, it's not real, but you are not gonna learn anything from paper trading. It's extremely easy. Everyone makes money paper trading. Everyone. My biggest win, it was, I think last week I posted on the Discord. I think it was last week I made over 50K. I had 2 days that I made over 52K. It was over 52K in one day, but it wasn't like it wasn't like one trade. It was like 2 or 3 trades. But my biggest win have come after using Apex because I traded with a bunch of accounts at the same time. Use for journaling, just use TradeZilla. Pretty easy. It's only like $40. My strategy is very simple. Just go with the trend and use support and resistance. Very simple. No, of course I always, yeah, of course I have red days. That's normal. If you follow any trader on YouTube, Instagram, or anywhere that it doesn't have red day, that's a lie. Everyone have red days. That's trading. I use Apex every single day. You can see it above on the chat. It says I trade futures with Apex. Daily. I use daily support and resistance. SPY just doesn't want to go lower. It's fighting there. Apple completely changed direction. Nvidia is holding, but it's still under the VWAP. Yeah, the to trade futures with any prop firm, you gotta be very consistent. Forget about making money. Just be happy if you make like $105, $20 per day, and with time, you'll get your payout. Just look for consistency. Yeah, it's looking pretty good for a short. Yeah. Spy still looks good for a short. It's just like, I don't know. It's just like the market is just not moving like at all. Microsoft is looking pretty bullish. But again, I wouldn't trade anything. Besides a few scalps with futures with ES and NQ, but not, I will not trade any like options today because the market is doing nothing. So you pretty much gonna get your premium jack up. And most likely premiums today are high. Yeah, nothing have followed through. But now I like to spy to the upside. But is it worth it? I don't know. BA, I hate trading BA. Hate trading BA. BA, you can have the best setup, the best easy chart. You can have all the levels that you want, and then out of nowhere you have news and mess up your trade. Especially now that's been having such a lot of bad news. So, and it's been down a lot. So if your inputs and then they make a statement and they come up with some good news, that thing is gonna fly. I trade everything and anything. I trade levels. So it doesn't matter if it is a breakout, a break and retest, a gap and go, a gap fill. It doesn't matter to me. I don't trade based on trading patterns. I trade based on levels. Yeah, that this is super choppy. We have nothing. We have so far the market's been open for 35 minutes and we have no movement. Like Microsoft looking pretty good for it to play the upside, but again, I don't want to trade any individual stocks at least. So now SPY looks like it wants to go higher. And the Q held for 38.50, which is bullish. PDD. I don't like trading Chinese stocks. I'm hungry. I'm hungry and this is boring. Before having the stream, I will always skip days like today. Always. Because look at this. Look at this. Look what's happening. We have nothing so far. But no, I don't like trading with FOMC. I don't like trading that week. Like I didn't trade yesterday at all. On Monday it was very choppy too. I was red on the morning and I turned it around in the afternoon, but it was just one of those days that it wasn't worth it trading. Just like yesterday. Yesterday was super weird. The morning, we have a morning like that all morning, and then out of nowhere, the market just boom. So if we look at the daily candlestick from SPY, from yesterday on SPY, it would look like it was super easy day, right? But I was watching the charts in the morning and it was extremely choppy. It was looking just like that, just like this. SPY was just like the yesterday morning. Let's see. What? My computer is kind of slow today. Or maybe it's trading view. This was SPY in the morning. Kind of looked like today. Went under, went above, a bunch of wicks at the top. And when you have a bunch of wicks at the top means rejection. Then you have over and under the VWAP. Nothing until, I don't know, I will say after it broke this morning high. That was around 10:40. So it had over 1 hour doing nothing. And then boom, we have all these. Are we gonna have that today? That will be very weird. Very weird. Yeah, so I'm not gonna try this. This is too choppy. I think I'm done. Like, I'm sorry guys, but this is boring. There's nothing to trade here. And I don't want to be here like wasting my time and your time because I'm not looking to trade anything. This is super choppy. Um, I think the key on trading is being patient and knowing when to not trade and when to walk away. It is very, very important. Like we know some days are very easy and we can be pretty much all in on those setup, but days like today are just like why? Why risking money on this? There's no reason why. So yeah, I'm done today. I'm not gonna keep watching this. I'm hungry. I'm gonna eat, work out, and be, I don't know, free. Free from work. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow is definitely we're definitely gonna have good setups because we're done with FOMC. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Yeah, for sure. Bye. Thank you for being here. Bye.